Have you felt for some time that there is something wrong with your business, or question yourself, why is it so hard lately to keep promoting it and get new clients? Maybe your business is not completely broken, but it also doesn't feel clear. But perhaps you feel disconnected. You know you have something valuable to offer. You may have experience, training, ideas, intuition, wisdom, maybe even some clients already. So it's not that you are starting from nothing. But somehow when you try to explain what you do, create content, shape the offer, or decide what your next step should be, everything starts to feel heavier than it should. You might find yourself rewriting your bio again, questioning your niche, changing the offer again, avoiding to post, delaying the launch, looking at your website, your content, your funnel, or your business as a whole and think, why does this not feel quite right? And if that's where you are, I want you to know this. I don't think the problem is that you are lazy or that you're inconsistent. And I don't think the problem is that you need to force yourself to be more visible before you understand what you actually want to be known for. Very often when a business starts to feel unclear, it's because something underneath the surface has shifted. You have probably changed. Where you are in life may shifted. So what you care about could also have changed. The way you want to lead, communicate, and serve can be different. But the business may still be organized around the older version of you. And when that happens, the symptoms start showing up everywhere. Your message may feel vague. Your content feels forced. Your offer becomes harder to explain. Visibility feels strangely unsafe or disconnected. You keep collecting more information, but it doesn't turn into direction or action. And the business starts asking for more energy than it gives back. This is the stage of business this intensive was created for. The code, Identity to Income Intensive, is a guided business decoding workshop for the woman who knows there is something deeper going on in her business, but cannot yet clearly name what it is. It is not about giving you another random strategy or telling you to post more. It's not about pushing you into building a funnel, launching, or business model that doesn't fit you. It is about slowing down enough to see what is actually happening. Because sometimes the thing you think is the problem is only the symptom. You may think you have a content problem, but underneath, it may be a message problem. Or that you lack in confidence, but it may be visibility safety problem. You may think your offer is the problem, but underneath, it may be that your lived experience, skills, and wisdom have not yet been translated into a clear structure people can understand. You may think you need a better system, but underneath, the business architecture may not be clear enough to build systems around it yet. And this distinction matters. Because if you keep fixing the wrong layer, you can spend months doing more work and still feel like nothing is truly connecting. Inside the intensive, we will look at your business through the identity to income lens. We will look at where the gap really is. Is it the identity? Is it the message? Is it the offer, the visibility, or the structure? Or maybe it is the customer journey. Is it that you're trying to build the machine before you have your own custom blueprint? The aim is not for you to leave with a huge list of things to do. You probably already have enough of things to do, right? The aim is for you to leave with a clear idea of where is the gap between who you are and if the business has a structure that supports you, and if what you believe, value, and offer is clearly communicated. It is for you to gain understanding of what is misaligned and clearer sense of what your business is actually asking for right now. To get one simple next step and know what to do next. Because sometimes clarity does not come from adding more. Sometimes it comes from finally seeing the right thing. This is for you if your business feels harder to explain than it should. If you feel like you have outgrown what you built or your message no longer feels fully true, and if you are tired of trying to market yourself through advice that ignores your energy, your voice, your values, your lived experience, and your real life, and if part of you knows that you don't need another borrowed blueprint, you need to understand what actually fits now. There's nothing you need to prepare before you come. You don't need a perfect niche or polished message. You don't need to know exactly what is wrong. That is the point of the workshop. You come with the business as it is, the confusion as it is, the questions as they are. And we began there with honest diagnosis, with deeper decoding, with the first clear movement from identity to income. If this feels like the conversation your business has been quietly asking for, you can join the waiting list below. Once you do, you'll be invited to choose from the available live dates option, and you'll receive founding member access to the recording and the resources. This is not about fixing yourself. It is about understanding what your business is trying to show you, so you can stop guessing and start decoding.